This might be the biggest statement Elon Musk has ever made in history.
Optimus will be the biggest product of all time by far. Nothing will even be close. I think it'll be 10 times bigger than the next biggest product ever made.
You might not believe it, but Tesla Bot Gen 3 could launch with 1,000 basic useful tasks, and Elon Musk has just revealed two important announcements regarding the production of the Optimus robot in Fremont. The Tesla CEO has refuted some popular fan theories about the humanoid robot. If everything goes according to plan, quite a few Optimus will be sold by 2027, but the price may change from the initial estimate. It won't be $20,000 or $30,000 anymore, it will be a different number. However, the ultimate question remains, how far will Optimus 3 really go?
But I think Optimus 3 is the right version of the robot to produce maybe something on the order of like 1 million units a year.
What would you think if by the time you turned 65 you had a humanoid robot that could take care of all your household chores? We mean everything, from washing dishes and mowing the lawn to mopping the floors or handling any other tedious task you simply don't want to do. Elon Musk recently confirmed that Optimus is making remarkable progress. The Tesla CEO also shared a photo of himself with the Optimus production team inside Tesla's Fremont factory, captioned, "Walking the Optimus production line in Fremont." Rather than Giga Texas, the Optimus production line at Tesla's Fremont factory will be the first facility to manufacture the Optimus 3, which features a number of major upgrades. Earlier, Tesla gave the public its first brief glimpse inside the production line. According to reports, the Optimus Gen 3 contains around 10,000 unique components, meaning virtually every part of the manufacturing process had to be built from the ground up. As a result, production is expected to follow the typical S-curve, starting slowly before accelerating rapidly as the manufacturing process becomes more refined and optimized. Tesla has already deployed more than 1,000 Optimus robots across its factories to collect real-world data, train its AI models, and continuously improve the system. However, those robots are essentially Optimus 2.5 units, not the new Optimus 3. To manufacture Optimus Gen 3 at its Fremont facility, Tesla has officially halted production of the Model S and Model X to make room for the installation of the Optimus Gen 3 production line. It's a bold move, transforming the factory space once dedicated to its two flagship vehicles into the company's first large-scale humanoid robot manufacturing center. Although Tesla's CEO has repeatedly emphasized that Optimus Gen 3 production will not ramp up quickly, many fans believe the company is secretly much further along in developing Optimus than it has publicly revealed, a strategy they think could catch Chinese competitors off guard. However, Elon Musk once again tempered those expectations. He recently wrote on X, "Optimus production will be extremely slow at first as everything is new. This is not like making a car." Musk's response isn't surprising if you've been paying attention to what Tesla has actually been saying, rather than what fans have been hoping for.
I don't know what the production rate of Optimus will be this year. It is impossible to predict these things.
During Tesla's Q1 2026 earnings call, Musk confirmed that Optimus production will begin at the Fremont factory in late July or August, while warning that output will be quite slow. He said it is essentially impossible to predict production volumes for this year because a significant portion of the components used in Optimus Gen 3 will be sourced from China rather than manufactured in-house by Tesla. In the past, Elon Musk had expressed optimism that virtually everything in Optimus could eventually be produced by Tesla, with some components shared with the company's electric vehicles. However, the reality appears to be far more complex. Earlier this year, Tesla engineers revealed that every actuator used in Optimus, from the arms and legs to each individual joint, is uniquely sized for its specific location. This customized approach allows the robot to perform movements with maximum dexterity and fluidity, avoiding the stiffness and jerky motion commonly seen in other humanoid robots. So just how far has Optimus Gen 3 progressed, and how useful will it ultimately be?
Do you need a robot to, take care of your kids or walk the dog or, take care of elderly parents or something like that? Then Optimus can do those things. So that's very exciting.
Although Tesla has kept Optimus Gen 3 under tight wraps in preparation for a major unveiling, leaked information suggests the robot adopts a much cleaner, more minimalist design than the Gen 2.5 version. It is expected to feature a seamless black outer shell that covers the entire body, almost like a one-piece bodysuit that completely conceals its joints and mechanical components. The shoulders and hips have been reshaped with smoother, more rounded contours, giving the robot a more natural stance while significantly reducing its bulky metallic appearance. Elon Musk once wrote on X, "Optimus 3 is in the same league as Raptor 3. Raptor 3 is SpaceX's latest generation rocket engine for Starship and is widely regarded as one of the most advanced rocket engines ever built, thanks to its remarkably simple, yet highly efficient, design." By comparison, Musk's comment suggests that Optimus Gen 3 will embody the same philosophy of engineering excellence, achieving exceptional performance through simplicity and manufacturing efficiency. Musk has previously acknowledged that settling on a final design for Optimus has been one of the project's biggest challenges. Tesla needed a design that could be manufactured efficiently at scale. While Optimus Gen 2.5 is an impressively refined prototype, it was fundamentally not designed for mass production. In addition, several reports suggest that Optimus Gen 3 will feature a degree of water resistance, 22 degree of freedom hands packed with integrated sensors, and an advanced Grok-powered voice interface that allows the robot to carry on conversations and respond to spoken commands. It is also expected to use a 3 kilowatt-hour battery pack built with Tesla's 4680 cells, providing approximately 5 to 6 hours of operation under light-duty everyday tasks. Finally, there's the AI-5 computer, which Elon Musk confirmed during the Terafab unveiling. With performance expected to be many times greater than its predecessor, the new chip could be the key to transforming Optimus from an impressive demonstration platform into a robot capable of performing meaningful work in the real world. At its core, AI-5 is designed to run real-time computer vision models with extremely low latency, giving Optimus the speed and responsiveness needed to operate effectively in dynamic environments. Put simply, one of the biggest limitations facing today's humanoid robots isn't a lack of CPU processing power, it's that data can't move from memory to the processor fast enough. AI-5 is rumored to deliver roughly 5 times the memory bandwidth of AI-4, potentially allowing Optimus to access massive machine learning models almost instantaneously. In practical terms, that means the robot no longer has to pause for those awkward stop-and-think moments whenever it encounters something unfamiliar. Instead, it can respond smoothly, continuously, and intelligently in real time.
If you had a robot that could take care of and protect an elderly parent, I think that would be great. That would be an amazing thing to have.
Whenever discussing Optimus Gen 3 and the scope of its capabilities, Elon Musk has consistently emphasized the potential role of Tesla Bot in assisting with childcare and elder care, even as the robot's initial skill set is expected to cover around 1,000 tasks. While the idea itself isn't new, it's clear that many older Americans have a genuine interest in having a humanoid robot that can help support their daily lives. Although Musk's original goal was to deploy Optimus in Tesla factories to reduce manufacturing costs and automate production, his long-term vision extends far beyond the factory floor. He believes humanoid robots could eventually play a much larger role by assisting and protecting some of society's most vulnerable people, especially seniors and young children. According to Musk, caring for an aging population is becoming one of the greatest challenges facing many countries. People are living longer, the cost of care continues to rise, and there is an ongoing shortage of caregivers. Many families would like to spend more time caring for their elderly parents, but work commitments, geographic distance, and financial pressures often make that difficult. Against this backdrop, Tesla's CEO believes that a robot that is safe enough and reliable enough could become an invaluable assistant in everyday life. Optimus is expected to help with tasks such as assisting seniors with mobility, reminding them to take their medications, detecting falls or other emergencies, and alerting family members whenever assistance is needed. Beyond its practical functions, the robot could also serve as a companion, helping to reduce loneliness, a common challenge faced by many older adults. Musk believes Optimus's potential extends beyond elder care. If it can meet the exceptionally high standards required for safety and reliability, he says it could also help families care for young children. Speaking at the World Economic Forum, Musk argued that once humanoid robots become safe enough to operate in home environments, most households around the world will likely want at least one robot to assist with everyday chores and help care for family members. However, what concerns many people isn't just how many tasks Optimus will be able to perform, it's whether the robot will be safe enough to perform them. This is also a topic Elon Musk rarely discusses in detail, even though he has repeatedly acknowledged that safety and security will ultimately determine the success of humanoid robots. It's easy to see why. If a future version of Optimus is capable of performing around 1,000 different tasks, it will also have to handle thousands of potential scenarios and risks. Every task introduces the possibility of unexpected failures, from errors in environmental perception and software bugs to hardware malfunctions and even cybersecurity threats. Once robots begin operating inside private homes, hospitals, and nursing facilities, the safety standards they must meet will be far more demanding than those applied to ordinary consumer electronics. At its core, Optimus is far more than a walking machine. It is an integrated system that combines artificial intelligence, cameras, sensors, and the ability to interact directly with people. The robot can perceive its surroundings, make decisions, and carry out physical actions. As a result, any failure could have real-world consequences, not just the loss of data, as might happen with a smartphone or computer. Cybersecurity reports over the years have consistently shown that smart devices are vulnerable to security flaws. With humanoid robots, the risks are even greater because they don't merely process information, they physically interact with the world around them. A software bug or a successful cyber attack, if not detected and contained in time, could cause the robot to perform tasks incorrectly, such as assisting an elderly person improperly, handing over the wrong item, or moving unsafely in a confined space. As thousands of robots begin operating in factories, hospitals, and private homes, the cybersecurity challenge becomes even more complex. If a serious vulnerability were exploited on a large scale, the consequences could extend far beyond a single device. This isn't just the plot of a science fiction movie. History has shown that automated systems and industrial infrastructure have been successfully targeted by remote cyber attacks, forcing operators to shut them down to limit the damage. That is likely why Elon Musk has repeatedly stressed that Optimus must be more secure than any product Tesla has ever built. Following several data security incidents involving Tesla in recent years, building a robust cybersecurity framework for humanoid robots has become even more critical. A robot capable of moving freely and interacting directly with people requires far stricter standards for safety, security, and reliability than an electric vehicle or a typical internet-connected device. Another major challenge lies in Optimus's ability to learn. Elon Musk has said that Optimus Gen 3 could eventually learn a new task simply by watching a YouTube video. Realistically, that capability is unlikely to arrive anytime soon, given the significant technical hurdles that still need to be overcome. Even so, the idea shouldn't be dismissed. Learning from videos is, in many ways, similar to how humans learn. A robot can absorb useful demonstrations, but it can also imitate dangerous or inappropriate behavior if exposed to harmful content. That's all the information about Optimus 3, what's happening, and the challenges for Tesla. What do you think about humanoid robots in today's world? Are you ready for them?